Hello friends. Today we are discussing the software components of the CAD computer aided design. The first point for the software component is CAD software allows the designer to create and manipulate a shape interactively and store it. What is this meaning? The CAD software allow the designer who the CAD software is allowing the designer to create and manipulate a shape interactively and store it. Second point is CAM software manages and control the operations of a manufacturing site, and CAE computer aided engineering software analyzed design geometry, allowing designer to study product behavior. As for example, there are such software for the for the components of the CAD like C++, Basic, Java, and COBOL etc. CAD software. What is CAD software? CAD software can be divided based upon the technology used. The CAD software can be divided based upon the technology used. Number one, 2D drawing. Its application include mechanical part drawing, printed circuit board design and layout, facilities layout, cartography, basic 3D drawing such as wireframe modeling, sculptured surface such as surface modeling, 3D solid modeling, engineering analysis, and the next point is design process. The design is the act of devising an original solution to a problem by a combination of principal resources and products in design. It is an iterative process which checks the suitability of the design again and again. The design progress in a step-by-step manner from some statement of need through identification of the problem, a search for solution and development of the chosen solution of manufacturing, test and use. The design process explained here is described by Siley. Recognition of need, recognition of need, definition of problems, synthesis, analysis, and optimization, evaluation, and after that presentation. If evaluation, no. Can the design be improved? No. The design impossible for the design specification? Yes. Change the design. Change the design. Again, the process is repeated. Next topic is geometric modeling. Geometric modeling refers to a set of techniques concerned mainly with developing efficient representation of geometric aspect of design. Therefore, geometric modeling is a fundamental part of all CAD. Need specification, conceptual design check, preliminary design check, detailed design, prototype testing, final production design. Geometric modeling is the basic of applications such as mass property calculation, mechanism analysis, finite element modeling, uh, ANSI part programming. Requirement of geometric modeling include the modeling method should be easy to use by designer. Rendering capability, which means how fast entities can be assessed and displayed by the computer. Geometric modeling approaches or types. The basic geometric modeling approaches available to designer CAD/CAM system are wireframe modeling, surface modeling, and solid modeling. The first is wireframe modeling. What is wireframe modeling? A wireframe modeling is a visual presentation of a three-dimensional or 3D physical object used in 3D computer graphics. It uses point and curves, that is lines, circle, arcs, by connecting them using their point of coordinate or vertices. It is created by specifying each edge of the physical object where two mathematically continuous smooth surface meet, or by connecting an object constituent vertices using a straight line or curves. As for example, AutoCAD versus VersaCAD. Surface modeling. Surface modeling is more sophisticated than wireframe modeling in that it defines not only the edges of 3D object but also its surface. In surface modeling, objects are defined by their bounding faces. The surfaces are created by connecting lines. A model of this type is used for representing only surface like sheet metal, covers, car body, exteriors. It is surface modeling software Neoform Pro E and CATIA.